As you can guess by the title of this video, today we're going to talk about the Umidigi Airbuds U. So to find out more, stick around. In my never-ending quest to find a good balance between comfort and price, I stumbled across the Umidigi Airbuds U. Now, online these things look pretty decent. Boasting 24-hour playback, a 13mm dynamic driver, environmental noise cancellation, and being able to control it within an app on your phone all seem like very great features to me. So I ordered them from Amazon, and in true Amazon fashion,
4 to 6 days later,
using Amazon Prime, they showed up on my doorstep. With the Airbuds U finally in my hands, I can now open the box, take a look, and see what's inside. Opening the yellow box, we find the Airbuds U case with USB-C charging port right there. Putting those aside for a second. Digging a little further, we have a black pouch to carry them with. Could come in handy. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And a box of rudimentary instructions on basic use. And after pairing the Airbuds U up to my phone, I wanted to go through the app and see what it had to offer. Opening the Umidigi app, we're greeted with a splash screen, followed by an indication that both the earbuds are linked to the phone. Clicking on the function settings, we can see different options. Now, clicking on the custom settings, you can see that we can change each earbud's custom settings to be different things from volume up to volume down, to last song, next song, voice assistant, and game mode. There's also a firmware update button, but mine is already up to date. And you can even change your custom sounds. Here's my custom sound settings, which are tuned to the way I like to listen to music. Setting the Umidigi Airbuds 2 to a custom sound profile that fits your listening needs, these earbuds sound incredible. I've had no issues with playback and no issues with connection. I can actually walk quite a distance away from the phone without any interruption in Bluetooth signal. So I'm quite impressed by that. My biggest issue with the Umidigi Airbuds 2 is the fit. Now, I think that I have a unique ear canal. No earbuds seem to fit in my ears unless they have a silicone cover on them or the earbuds actually loop around my ears. So with these, I kept having to push them in like this and twist them to get them to stay into place, and almost immediately they would start to sag out a little bit and feel like they're going to fall off. Now, I've never actually had them fall off unless I was doing strenuous work. So for me, these would work out great for conference calls, for listening to music at my desk at work, or just doing some basic chores around the house. However, if I start to move my head back and forth, or I'm up and I'm down, there's a very, very good chance that these are going to fall out. But this particular issue might be unique to me, as my ears seem to not want to hold pretty much any earbud that doesn't have a silicone tip. So if you like earbuds and you're looking for a decent earbuds on a pretty tight budget, I could definitely recommend the Umidigi Airbuds Pro. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I thank you for watching. Have a great day.